This charming bungalow, located in the desirable Oak Hill neighborhood, within walking distance to Blackstone Boulevard, is an absolute treat to behold. Step up into the glowing front living room as numerous windows pour natural light onto the rich hardwood floors throughout the home. A built-in china cabinet in the dining area helps to create a wonderful atmosphere for every meal. A subway tile backsplash adorns the newly renovated kitchen with marble countertops and stainless steel appliances. Completing the main level is a full bath and a glass-enclosed shower. Look out to the rear deck onto your private fenced-in yard and enjoy this escape from the city. Upstairs are 2 bedrooms that share a full hall bath. Take advantage of this great location and visit the Hope Artiste Village, or walk down Hope Street and visit all of the boutiques or the farmers market at Lippman Memorial Park. The entire east side is close by, giving you access to plenty of shops and renowned campuses and museums. Commute using the nearby highway or make use of the commuter rail. Downtown Providence is a vibrant area minutes away, full of award-winning restaurants and entertainment options. For more information, please visit the property website or call the Green Sweeney team at area code 401-339-5621 or 401-864-8286.